Alright, so Sony has announced the another PlayStation 5 event date on their Instagram account, and they're saying see you on Thursday, June 11th at 1 p.m. Pacific time and 9 p.m. BST. And this time I don't even need to put the source link because it's actually on their own PlayStation official account on Instagram, and the post is actually similar to the one that we had for the June 4th, but this time it's only a picture, not the video, and this only one difference is the dates. Before it was 4th and now it's 11th, and it's clearly gonna be only for the games for PlayStation 5, because on the earlier post where they said that it's gonna be there's gonna be a delay because of what's happening with the world, and I'm sorry because I was kind of angry for that and I really didn't mean to be like that. But anyway, they said that we are excited to show you the PS5 games. So basically it's going to be a PS5 games event, and it's only going to be for the games, or maybe they will add a teaser for PlayStation 5, or we don't know that for sure. But in the earlier post they clearly said, while we understand gamers worldwide are excited to see PS5 games, like they literally said the games, not the console. So we don't know yet what's going to happen, but still we have the date 11th June. Stay tuned for that, 9 p.m. Pacific time, I guess. Yeah. So I hope you guys find this video useful, and if you do, make sure to hit that thumbs up and also subscribe, because I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So if you guys subscribe to me, it'll mean a lot to me. So yeah, this is the news we have for the PlayStation 5, and if you don't want to miss any news or leaks about the PlayStation consoles, all the technology stuff, make sure to subscribe for that as well. So yeah, stay tuned.